How are y'all doing? Yes, it's our whipped cream day. So let's revisit this whipped cream yet again. So we're going to be working with 250 grams of powdered whipped cream. Now, let me emphasize one more time that there is no fizzy in measurement when it comes to baking. As much as you can, measure correctly, okay? So for water, don't forget we are using room temperature water, and the quantity is 1 over 8 cup to every 50 grams, okay? So now that we're working with 250 grams, we're going to use half cup and 1 over 8 cup. So why I said 1 over 8 cup is so you can actually multiply it depending on the quantity you want to use. Whip your cream and your cream is ready. Room temperature water. Jettison cold water. Jesus, what did I say now? Do away with cold water. Forget about cold water. Your cream will whip. Oh. It will whip. In fact, faster than room temperature water. But it will defrost faster. Okay? So let's cover this mini cake. Normally, when we're doing our cake, our whipped cream training, we bake small cakes. Then I cover, you observe, you come and cover. I cover again, you observe, you come and cover. So this is me covering the first one. So you can see how I'm collecting it with palette knife. I don't know how to use a piping bag to cover whipped cream. All these things has to do with the way you learn. When you learn and you learn with a piping bag, it will be easy for you to use piping bag. When you learn and you learn with palette knife, it will also be easy for you to use palette knife. So I've applied and I've combed. Just something very fast. Whipped cream is so easy to deal with. And it's not just about that it is easy to deal with. You have to make it easy. You have to put your hand quickly and remove it. You don't play too much with whipped cream. You don't romance it too much. I said this in the last whipped cream tutorials. I said all these videos that you will see people flipping it up and down. They will raise it up, they will turn it, they will flip it. Tell them to show you that whipped cream that they were flipping up and down. Tell them to show you after like 5-10 minutes or even 20 minutes. It would have withered. It would have lost its consistency. Whipped cream is not to be played with. You just whip it, do whatever you want to do with it fast and remove hand. Even while one of my students was doing hers, being something she was doing for the first time, I allowed her. I was talking, observing, instructing. She was doing it. While she was doing, she observed it herself. In fact, she commented that her eye is no longer strong. I said, at least you are seeing it now. I love learning from observation, learning from understanding what is actually happening. Don't just learn the good one and run away. See it turn bad, so that tomorrow when you want to do it, I want to do rubbish, you remember that, oh, if I do this thing, it will spoil. Cheers, you guys. Bye. I love you.